Here at FL Hitchman, for the past 70 years, we have been on a journey to create the #1 UK rolling water carrier and waste carrier. The Wastemaster is manufactured in Bridgnorth in Shropshire, UK. Our production processes use the highest standards of virgin food grade material. This ensures a durable and quality product, which our customers have come to expect. We are only able to maintain these standards as a result of our highly skilled and dedicated staff who use a mixture of traditional and innovative methods to ensure the company remains the leading manufacturer of rolling water carriers. The Wastemaster has been a staple product of FL Hitchman for many years, and we offer both a premium and economy version of this product. Our priority is our customers' satisfaction and the durability of our products. This is why we have so much trust and faith in our 10-year container guarantee on all UK and EU purchased premium Aquaroll and Wastemasters, subject to terms and conditions. Head to one of your local caravan and camping suppliers to pick up one of your very own UK #1 water carrier and waste carrier, the Aquaroll and Wastemaster. Don't carry it, roll it.